Hi, have you lost something and you don't know where that is? Perhaps something's gone missing and you can't find it anymore. I have so many experiences of my intuition pointing me in the right direction, actually literally getting me to notice what I notice on the inside of me. So this is what I'm asking you today. The tip here is to become aware of where you are being shown to look. One of the stories that I have that really indicates this so clearly was I was asking for opportunities to speak, to be able to be on stage and talk about how your body is receiving messages, how you can use your intuition, being a body whisperer. And I was given an instance to be able to go to London to be able to speak at this particular conference. So there was going to be some people there. It was Valentine's Day. We were going to be talking about how love feels in the body. That was my particular topic. And I had the problem of booking the flights, getting excited about it, thinking, oh, I've got no money in that account. What am I going to do? Oh my God, I've got to wait for this money to come in. I've got no money. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? And my head kept going down to a particular angle when I was sitting at my desk as I was asking these questions. Oh, what am I going to do? Where am I going to get the money from? And my head would go down. And I remember I opened up the drawer and thinking, God, there's loads of old cards in there. Those are old cards from loyalty cards from when I lived in the UK. Oh, there's a credit card there. No, there's no money left on that credit card. I know there isn't. I'd taken a loan out years ago to sort out some studios that I was building in an old house that I had. And I remember just at the back of my head, I think I left a little bit of money on that card. Oh, what am I going to do? Where am I going to get the money from? Again, my head goes down to this drawer in my desk where all these cards are just in an elastic band. So I pick up this card and I decide to go online and see what's to do with this card. There's £500 left on this card, exactly the amount of money that I needed. My intuition was actually turning my head and getting me to notice what I was noticing. It's as simple as that. My tip today is notice what you notice. Be very aware that you are already intuitive. There's no great shakes about it. You're getting answers to your questions, but maybe you're just not listening. Expect to be spiritually assisted when you walk out the door, when you wake up in the morning. Like, I know I'm going to get the answers to my questions. What most people don't do is actually ask the question, where am I going to find the money? Where am I going to find this? How am I going to do this? And then list experiences that you've had so that you've got verification that intuition is working for you. Most of us don't trust it because we haven't had enough experience of the stories of when it is working. So list them down. Remember them, become aware of them, bring them into your mind so that your mind can start trusting when your intuition is coming to the forefront and helping you. Your mind doesn't have to work everything out. You have practical magic at your fingertips. You can turn around your business, you can turn around your body, you can turn around your beloved relationships 180 degrees with your intuition when you ask the right questions. I'm Fiona Robertson. I am a body whisperer. I've been listening into the body for years now, helping ladies to lose weight, understanding what the messages are behind the symptoms that we have, the metaphysical reasons that we have the symptoms that we have. You don't need to look for intuitive signs. The signs are your intuition. How are they showing up for you? You can follow me, and I have the hashtags Body Whisperer, Soul Partnering, Body Code, Practical Magic, Practical Intuition. I'm here to help you understand, is that my intuition or is it my head getting in the way? Because we overthink this information and it's there at your very fingertips.